The T1255 Terrain Leveler SEM is a heavy-duty surface excavator designed to cut and level a variety of terrain and surface types. It is widely used in industries such as mining, construction, and land reclamation. The T1255 is equipped with a large cutting drum that can effectively cut through a wide variety of materials, including rock, coal, and other difficult surfaces. Its precision leveling capabilities make it a valuable tool for creating flat surfaces in harsh environments. HEM 821DQ Cobra Plus Hybrid is a type of hybrid excavator designed for various construction and excavation tasks. Hybrid excavators typically combine a conventional diesel engine with an electric motor or battery system to increase fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. The Cobra Plus designation may refer to specific features or enhancements on this model, but additional details will be needed to provide a more comprehensive description of this particular machine. Hybrid excavators are becoming increasingly popular due to their environmental benefits and cost savings in fuel consumption. The CAT 637D is a classic heavy-duty off-road truck manufactured by Caterpillar. It is part of the CAT 637 series of scrapers commonly used in earth-moving and construction applications. The 637D has a large capacity for material handling and is known for its durability and reliability. The Komatsu WA800 is a large wheel loader produced by Japanese construction equipment manufacturer Komatsu. It is a heavy-duty machine designed for tasks such as loading materials such as ore, aggregates, or other bulk materials onto trucks in mining and construction applications. The WA800 is known for its high-capacity bucket and powerful engine, making it capable of handling large volumes of material efficiently. The Case 1650L is a crawler dozer manufactured by heavy equipment manufacturer Case Construction Equipment. Crawler dozers are used to push, transport, and level soil, sand, or other materials in construction and earth-moving work. The Case 1650L is part of Case's dozer range and is available in a variety of models with different specifications and features. Amphibious Mincy Muck Excavator is a specialized amphibious machine designed for a variety of applications, especially in difficult terrain such as wetlands, swamps, and shallow waters. It combines the capabilities of an excavator with the ability to work in and around waterlogged areas. This makes it valuable for projects such as dredging, wetland restoration, and environmental protection. Prinith is an Italian company specializing in the design and production of tracked vehicles and equipment, especially snowplows and tracked commercial vehicles. These machines are widely used in various industries including snow sports, agriculture, forestry, and environmental management. Prinith's equipment is known for its performance and versatility in challenging terrains and harsh weather conditions. The company's products are often used in tasks such as slope correction, forest management, and land transportation in ski resorts. Braca T26.B is a forestry and reforestation machine designed for tree planting and site preparation in forests. It is a crawler vehicle equipped with a planting unit that can quickly plant tree seedlings. The machine is widely used for reforestation work where large areas of forest need to be reforested efficiently. Braca T26.B can significantly speed up the tree planting process, making it an important tool in sustainable forestry and land rehabilitation efforts.